Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make stir-fried beef with sweet peas and mushrooms. They're delicious and easy to make. Let's get started guys. And here are the ingredients. 1 small package of sweet peas, half cup of sliced beef, half cup of sliced mushroom, 2 to 3 teaspoons of garlic, oyster sauce, chicken base mix, salt, and sugar. First of all, we need to heat our pan into high heat and add in about 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, we can add in about 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, and we will stir fry it until it becomes a little bit golden brown. Once the garlic reaches color, we could add in our mushrooms and our sweet peas. And then we could stir fry it all together. After we stir fry for about 2 to 3 minutes, we will add in our oyster sauce, which is about 1 to 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce. For a touch of sweetness, we will add in a pinch of sugar. And then we will continue to stir it until it mixes really well. Our vegetables are done guys, now let's put it aside. Now let's cook our beef. In the same pan, I would add in about 1 to 2 teaspoons of oil. And I usually use vegetable oils, but you can use any oil you would like. And now we could add in our minced garlic, which is 1 teaspoon of it. And we will stir fry until it becomes nice and golden brown. Once it switches color, we could add in our sliced beef. And then we continue to stir for 1 to 2 minutes. Then we'll add in our seasonings. The seasoning is 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, 1 pinch of salt, half teaspoon of sugar, and half teaspoon of chicken base mix. And we will continue to stir fry the beef with all the seasoning until it becomes nicely cooked. And when we don't see any more pink on the beef, the stir-fried beef is cooked. And now we could put it aside or on top of our vegetable. Our stir-fried beef with sweet peas and mushrooms are done guys. The stir-fried is easy to make but so delicious. And it could be eaten with rice or on its own. You can also make it in larger quantity for potluck. Thanks guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below, and I will see you in my next video.